Introducing Solahart Atmos Frost, the smart way to create hot water out of thin air. Atmos-Frost is an integrated heat pump that uses heat from the surrounding air, not the sun, to heat water. Its design allows it to be installed in any location in Australia, regardless of water chemistry, climatic conditions, and ambient temperature. It's a great choice for Australians looking for a reliable, renewable alternative to an electric water heater, but whose homes may not be suitable for traditional solar hot water. It features uniform, all-round heating technology with an advanced wraparound microchannel heat exchanger, providing a larger contact area for faster, more efficient water heating. The storage cylinder is lined with a durable vitreous enamel coating to protect the cylinder, making it suitable for harsh water conditions. Depending on your location, replacing a conventional electric water heater with Atmos-Frost could save you up to 64 to 71% of your hot water energy consumption. There are also government incentives available to help lower the upfront cost. Visit the Solahart website for more details. Atmos-Frost has a 2.4 kilowatt backup element to ensure you have hot water even in very cold conditions. It features leading technology with a user-friendly touchscreen control pad, an LED display, and dual modes for greater flexibility. For normal, everyday hot water demand, the heat pump defaults to standard heating mode. If you're going on a holiday, select vacation mode, and Atmos-Frost will automatically go into smart power saving operation. With its durable ASA top cover, Atmos-Frost can easily withstand all weather conditions, while the side fan design enhances the airflow and protects the heat pump unit from heavy rain. For added peace of mind, Atmos-Frost comes with a 7-year cylinder warranty and is backed by Solahart. So, if you're looking for a smart alternative to solar hot water, get smart. Get Solahart.